Hello everyone, Steve Schleicher, El Paso County Clerk and Recorder, and I want to take a couple minutes of your time to talk about a case that's being heard at the U.S. Supreme Court that could impact elections across the country and what it also means here in Colorado and El Paso County. The case is called Watson versus Republican National Committee. At its core, the court is being asked a simple but a very important question. Do ballots need to be received by Election Day, or is it enough that they're just mailed by Election Day? This case comes out of Mississippi, where current state law there allows ballots to be counted if they're postmarked by Election Day, even if they arrive several days later. Some are arguing that federal law requires all ballots to be in the hands of election officials by Election Day. Others say what matters most is when the voter casts their ballot, not when it arrives. Now, here in Colorado, our law is very clear. Ballots must be received by 7 p.m. on Election Day, same time we close up all our voter service polling centers and all 24/7 secure ballot drop boxes in order to be counted. The state of Colorado does not accept postmarks, so anything that is not received by 7 p.m. on Election Day is not counted. So from a legal standpoint, this case is unlikely to require changes to how we run elections here in the state of Colorado. However, it could have broader national impacts if the court rules that ballots must be received by Election Day. So for voters, the takeaway is simple here in El Paso County. Don't wait. Return your ballot early or use an official drop box to make sure it's received on time. We know we have a June 30th primary election coming up. We just installed 3 additional ballot boxes here in El Paso County, which brings the total to 44 secure ballot drop boxes. But again, always get out, vote early, make sure your vote is heard, and as shared is whatever happens with this case, legally will probably have zero impact on us as voters here in the state of Colorado and El Paso County. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please call me directly at 719-520-7306 or send me an email at steveschleicher@elpasoco.com. Have a great day, everybody.